Hi, I'm Ryan Herbst, Chief Strategist with UnifiedCommunications.com. Wanted to talk to you for a couple of minutes about lighting. So we at UnifiedCommunications.com know just how important video is, number one, in helping remove some of the geography that now sits between all of us. It's also true that we're working at home for a lot longer than we had expected. Many of us thinking about doing this on a permanent basis, or certainly we know that no matter how things shake out, we're going to have work at home is going to be a bigger thing than it once was. So now is the time really to up our game, to go from good to great, to take kind of the technology that we may have pushed out in the early days of this pandemic and make sure that it's exactly what we want over the long term. And lighting is a big part of that. So I'm going to do a demonstration today of Lume. Lume is a manufacturer of high quality, inexpensive lighting. We have a partnership at UnifiedCommunications.com with Lume, and we use their products both for remote work at home and also for live events and broadcast and streaming. So you'll see other videos from us where we'll be showing Lume's products in conjunction with live event kits that we make for Teams live events. But today I just want to show you what a difference it makes to have proper lighting at home. So again, I'm not in a terrible room. Let me show you what I'm about to turn the light on, but I want to show you what we're dealing with. So this is the Lume broadcast kit. Small light. Comes, and we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing in a moment. You'll get to see exactly what comes in the kit. But first, let me just show you what impact it makes turning this thing on. And again, single camera. If we were doing this in a CEO town hall or preparing for a major broadcast, we probably would have more than one light. We'd be hitting me from a couple of different points. But here we go. This is light off. And now we have the light on, and you can just see huge impact in terms of much more natural lighting. And yeah, we don't have all of the kind of dark spots around me. So cool stuff. Let's do a little bit of unboxing. I have the Lume broadcast kit here. It is $130. You can purchase Lume at UnifiedCommunications.com. Small impact, again, to make such a profound change in how we look on an ongoing basis working from home. So let's do a little bit of an unboxing. I'm going to open my Lume broadcast kit. So one, comes with a charging cable. It is USB-C, like most things these days. I also have the Lume device itself. It has an LCD panel on the back. When I turn it on, I can adjust both brightness as well as color temperature on my light. Love this really portable tripod that comes with the device. So super small, but it also telescopes out, and we could use this either sitting on the ground or sitting on a table. In addition to the tripod mount, there is a suction cup mount, and I can use the tripod with it as well. So we can take this suction cup, which could sit on the back of a display or on a notebook. We can attach the tripod to it as well. So this is the broadcast kit, again, available at UnifiedCommunications.com for $130. In addition to the broadcast kit, there is a personal video conference light kit that is $70. You can purchase this as well at UnifiedCommunications.com. We're going to be doing a separate video just on this light. It's a little bit smaller, comes with a diffuser, but same idea. We want to make sure, again, that we are getting proper lighting at home. So again, I'm Ryan Herbst. I lead strategy here at UnifiedCommunications.com. We'd love for you to engage with one of our device strategists to talk about how to up your game and take remote work to the next level.